Hey Jade, you did a great job on this program. So let me show you what's happening. So down in main, when you call calculate change, you send in value 1, you send in value 2, and you send in total diff, which is a 0 at this point, right? Nothing's happened. So down then in calculate change, total diff takes the difference between the two. So it has that value now. And since you sent it in as a reference parameter, that's what's going to go back to main. Total is calculated here and returned. The problem you have is that when you call a function that returns a value, so I'm going to go back up to the function call. This whole thing, you have to imagine in your mind that this gets replaced with that answer for total. So let's say it was 1%. So it's just going to get replaced by this. But you didn't put it in a variable, you didn't put it in a cout statement, it had nowhere to go, so it doesn't get saved anywhere. So what you need to do here is you need to save that value. And so I'm assuming that this is the variable you want to use, so it should look like this. And so now when it comes back, right, so all of this is gone, and it comes back, let's say, with 1%, now you have 1% being stored somewhere, right? So it happens here. So let's see if that's is that what you use here? Total? Looks like it. Let me just run this real quick. I don't remember. I'll make some numbers up. And if you double check the percent change, that's correct. There's only one other thing I wanted to point out to you. Oops, let me see if I can get out of here. Okay, so here, this is exactly how I wanted the comments. The one thing I would ask, though, is if you remove it from here in your prototypes and put this down in this area so that you clearly identify each new function, right, so that it's easy to see. Just keep all of your prototypes nice and tight together. Let's see if I can do this neatly. Right, just like that, and then down here, this way, if you're looking for a function, it's super easy to spot them. And then here, just keep them like that, nice and tight. Okay, so if you have any other questions, let me know.